Hello friends, my name is Ayush and welcome to this all new video of Flutter Create. In this video we are going to show you how you can display an image inside your Flutter application using a local image as an asset which is bundled with your application, or an image from an image URL, that is a remote address, or from the internet. Okay, so let's get started. What I have here is a fresh Flutter installation, a fresh Flutter package or a project. Yes, a fresh Flutter project. And inside the main.dart file, what I've done is I have removed all the content which was already present, and I have simply imported the material.dart package and created a main method and a simple myapp class which extends a stateless widget, as we won't be needing a stateful widget here, hopefully. And I have returned a material app which has a scaffold and a column. So the first thing is that in order to display a local image, that is an image which is bundled as an asset inside the Flutter application, that is with the Flutter application, we need to have a local image. So I might just have a beautiful flower picture here. So I'll just cut this flower picture from here, go to my Flutter project directory. Inside here I will create a new folder that says assets, and inside assets I will simply paste this image file, that is flower.jpg. And then what I have to do is I have to declare that asset inside my Flutter application so that Flutter is aware of my asset. So inside the pubspec.yaml file, if you go down, then you will see this thing here that says these commented lines that say assets. I will simply uncomment these lines and I will remove this line, since I am going to use only one image, which will be a JPG image, and the path to it is assets slash flower.jpg. And as soon as I hit save, Flutter will get that image for me, and now Flutter recognizes that picture. So in order to display that image, what I have to do is I have to use the image widget with the asset property, and inside here I have to specify the path to my image, and that is all. That will make it work. So let's just run this application to see if it actually works. They should be up and running any second now. And as you can see, here's a beautiful picture of flower which is bundled alongside our application and is a local image which we are displaying using the image widget with the asset property. The next step is to display an image with the use of a network URL or an image address. So for that we are going to use this widget called the image widget with the network property, and inside here we'll pass a string that is the URL to that image file. So let's just find an image file. I guess the same simulator is slowing my browser down. So let's go to Pixabay, and well, this is the same image. I want to use a different image, so let's just type in nature, and this image will do. I will copy the image address, go back to Visual Studio Code, and inside here pass the address, and as soon as I hit on save, I should be able to see the image here. So I know this is probably not how you want to display this image, and we can do other customizations and modifications as well, but this is the way to go. So if you need to display a local image that is bundled with your application, you need to first declare it inside your pubspec.yaml file with the path, and then inside the main.dart file or wherever you want to use this local asset, you can use it using image.asset, and inside that you have to pass a string which is the path to your declared asset. And in order to display an image from an image address or from a network URL, you need to use the image.network, the image widget with the network property, and inside that pass a string which is actually the network address or the image URL. So I hope this helps, and I hope that you found this video informative and you learned something from it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any question, and please subscribe to our channel, because we are coming up with more really exciting content about Flutter and Firebase. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.